welcome to Automation Partners AI. Today we're gonna learn how to use the CRM on Automation Partners AI. You can support our channel and subscribe our channel to learn more about Automation Partners AI. And if you want to know how to buy it and how to purchase from where and everything top to bottom for starting from scratch, you can see others videos. So we are gonna learn how to use that CRM over here, and you can see there's the net contact pipelines, all those sections. We're not going to explain all of them. There are so many sections over here. If you play around for a couple of minutes, you will learn how to use that. So you can see so many leads over here, not so many, only 15. So you can don't try to send mails or SMS this leads. This all are fake. You're not gonna make any kind of sales, and it will harm your mail health. So just in case, if you purchase the lead scrappers from us, I mean the leads and Z plan, which you can find over here, and this is the most popular plan that we have, because this is the favorite choice of all of our customer, and this is the highest sell. So if you purchase this plan and start scrapping, this is the leads NG, where you can scrap unlimited leads. And don't worry about the URL. All the URL will be given on the descriptions. You don't need to worry about. And after scrapping, you can save as a CSV file. You can, if you have a Microsoft Office, you can check from your desktop, or you can upload on your Google Sheet. So if we have on the Google Sheet, I mean, just think this is your sheet where all the leads are available. So just download the CSV file, because the CRM only supports the CSV file. So for your ease, I just say I'm just saving on the desktop, so we can find it very easily. So I'm going to save it over here, and then we are going to import the contact. So let's go to next. So here's all the things are available. Let's say this is the showing something new, not like others, showing the text, because I created the contact fields. That status contact fields wasn't available. So how you can create is pretty much simple. You go to the settings. This is case you got a custom contact field that's not available on your contacts. So you can go to your settings and you can see the custom fields over here, and you can add any custom field that you like over there, and it will automatically take by the contacts, because it's integrated with AI, which will help you to get everything very fast. So the status is added from custom fields, so that's why it's showing available. If I delete, let's say I delete the status, custom fields status. Okay, so we have two status, is opportunity and contact. So since we are on the contact, which is the CRM dashboard, we will delete that and we will make another one. So how to delete the fields? Oops, sorry. Okay, so we can just delete like this. Now if we go back and try to add a contact or import contact, click over there, go next, you will see no selection, and status is not available because it wasn't built in over there. So we are going to create a custom field just in case if you don't like to edit your CSV files based on the custom fields of your contacts. We can go over here, just a single line, since we don't need to add so much numeric number or anything else. We will just go with the status, and we will just, if you want to keep it as a contact, it's very important, then you can keep it as a contact, general info, additional info, I'm gonna keep as a general info because the status is very important for me. Sorry for that. So let's say we go over there, save it, go back, import again, click over there. Before we go there, you can see that 15 records we are seeing right now, and we click over there, go next. Don't try to mail them, I'm just telling you over and over. It will auto take because we have AI integration, so any field match each others, it will take automatically. You don't need to set up manually, choose manually. Also, if you don't like to add a custom field, you can take it as a note that this customer's status is new, or follow up, or whatever you like. So go next. You can also name it, or it will name as a date, I mean 14 September, or you can name it in first leads or second leads, whatever, so that will help you to remember. You can also do not update as a mails or phone numbers. You can also update existing contacts. You can only add new contact. You can only do update existing contacts. So I'm gonna keep this for having both actions. Also, I'm gonna add a tag, import lead 1, since it's the first one, so I'm keeping as a 1 and this is a 0, and then I'm adding that tag so I can filter whenever I want, if I just in case if I want to do that. So you need to click check mark that you confirm all the contacts terms and click on the submit button. Okay, so we need to click here to see the update. You can see the previous one, and if you go back to the contacts, you can see all the contacts is updated. And how you will know that, you can see now we have 25 records, and you can see some of the numbers we have. Those are all fake. Don't try to send them. Okay, so what the features over there we can see. If we click each and every single person, we can see in detail information about those people, general info. We can see the stats, websites, zip codes, also status, because we added over there in the general info. Also, we can see the automation opportunity. We can add a primary opportunity. If you set up the opportunity, you can add over here. And I think we will make another video where you can see how to set up your opportunity pipelines. So here you can also give a task. If you have an employee, they will do their job. You can task this person need to be talk with the sales rep, all kind of stuff you can do. So after that, how you can export, just click on that. Oh, sorry, before that you need to select all of them. If you click over here, you will select all of them. If you don't want to select all of them, you only want to select those contacts which have phone numbers. Sorry, we can filter by the phone numbers or any kind of just by clicking over here. Is not empty, so apply that. You can see only 3 leads we got, and save it as a smart leads. We can save it for later, so every single time we just use that and sort it out. So just select that, select these 3 leads, export, export contact. It will be saved as a CSV file. That's a very easy thing. And that's all about. You can also see the bulk export, register, all the things. So play around. See you on the platform. Have a great day and stay safe.